In this video, I'll show you how to set up 2FA on Kraken. First, open the Kraken app or visit the Kraken website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon and go to Security or Security Settings. Now, find the two-factor authentication, or 2FA, section. Choose Sign in 2FA, then select Setup or Enable. Next, open an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy on your mobile device. Scan the QR code displayed by Kraken, or enter the setup key manually if you prefer. After that, your authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code into Kraken and confirm to enable two-factor authentication for your account. Now, save your backup or recovery codes in a safe place if Kraken provides them. These codes can help you regain access if you lose your phone or your authenticator app. Finally, sign out of your account and sign back in to make sure 2FA is working correctly. From now on, you'll enter both your password and the verification code from your authenticator app whenever you log in. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up 2FA on Kraken. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.